If you work in a garden centre or nursery, you've almost certainly heard of the National Garden Gift Voucher scheme. But did you know they are the longest running promotion of gardening in the UK, generating over 2 million garden centre customers each year? The schemes are run by the Horticultural Trade Association, or the HTA, which is the trade body for the garden industry and, crucially, is a not-for-profit organisation. That means that the funds raised by National Garden Gift Voucher sales are used to promote gardening and the garden industry, as well as to support gardening charities and good causes. By actively promoting and selling the gift cards and vouchers in your garden centre, you're helping to support amazing initiatives such as National Children's Gardening Week. Here's Chris Collins to tell you a little more.
Over the last 10 years, children's gardening has got incredibly popular both in schools and at home, and this week aims to celebrate it. So why garden with children? Well, we can bring in the curriculum, it's great to get outside, physical activity, teamwork, has so many benefits for a child, and I'll tell you they really do enjoy it. There's been lots of progress with getting kids gardening over the last 10 odd years, and it's nice to come together and celebrate that, and what better way than getting gardening centres involved. Garden centres can really be at the forefront of National Children's Gardening Week, guiding the way, showing projects and teaching kids how to garden.
Planting raspberries. I like getting dirty. I like planting tomatoes, sweet corn and carrots.
If you work in a garden centre as a member of staff and you're passionate about children's gardening, get on the National Children's Gardening website and get those activity sheets downloaded. Maybe think of having an event and talk to your customers. What do they want to see when it comes to the subject of children's gardening?
Another fantastic cause supported by the National Garden Gift Voucher scheme is the Green Fingers charity. Here is Linda Petrons from Green Fingers to tell you more about it.
Green Fingers is a national charity that raises money to create magical gardens for children's hospices right across the UK. The charity is actually tiny. We rely hugely on our ambassadors and our supporters to fundraise and spread the word. Over the last year, 18 months, we've created three gardens in children's hospices. The gardens all vary. We created an amazing kaleidoscope garden at Helen and Douglas House in Oxford. That model seems to have resonated with a lot of the children's hospices we're now working with, and lots of them are saying we want that colourful structure in our garden so we can have children outside all year. Working with the National Garden Gift Voucher scheme has been incredible. It's helped us to reach out to new supporters, engage with children. We've had lots of garden centres taking part and doing stuff, some amazing stuff. Being part of this fantastic initiative has really helped us reach out to new people, and already we're seeing more visitors to our website, more people signing up to receive our newsletters, and so it's been really, really good for lots of different reasons really.
The schemes also support research into the benefits of gardening to our society. This includes research into the positive effects gardening facilities at schools have on children. The schemes have also funded university research into how plants insulate buildings, leading to lower energy and carbon use. The work is gaining the attention of government and has influenced their 25-year plan for the environment. If you'd like to support the good causes funded by the schemes, all you need to do is promote the vouchers and cards in your garden centre. So remember to put up the posters, use the free point of sale, and tell your customers what a great gift they are.